Take a stroll through Plains and you'll notice plenty of tributes to the city's most well-known family, including a number of gardens that dot the entire area. It's a project started up by former First Lady Rosalynn Carter in response to the dwindling monarch butterfly population.
So I approached Miss Rosalynn and I said, what do you think about having a trail, and let's call it the Rosalynn Carter Butterfly Trail? And so we did. It first started in Plains with her garden, and we decided, since her garden was private, that we would have a roadside garden off of 280 so that it's open 24 hours a day and the public is invited to stop by and see that garden.
While they might be nice to look at, that isn't the main focus of these gardens, as each plant serves a specific purpose in cultivating the pollinator life cycle.
We do a lot of research. We look around, work with a lot of the different growers, what plants not only look good, but the ones that we actually want to attract and do what we need to do with the butterfly larva and everything like that. So it's not just run to Home Depot and pick up a bunch of flowers and run back and plant them. We actually look at having something blooming throughout the year, as well as habitat and food.
It's a project the city has really gotten behind, as the number of gardens in this small Southwest Georgia community has exploded over the past few years.
Believe it or not, this little town of Plains has 76 private and public gardens, and that's a lot of gardens for our small area. There are 16 that are open for the public that you can come enjoy. We have a lot of gardens on Main Street, so if you're in town and visiting, there are benches out there and really pretty gardens that you can watch the monarchs and other butterflies and pollinators that come in.
That's good news for the state's #1 industry, as these pollinators play a vital role in the development of a number of different crops.
Well, pollinators are critically important. We have to have them for a lot of our food crops, particularly in vegetables. Most importantly, things like the cucurbers, watermelons, cucumbers. We don't have a crop if we don't have pollinators, so they're absolutely critical to the production. But outside of that, we have to have them for other crops as well, not only crops, but tree crops, many flowers. So they provide habitat for a lot of different species of things. So pollinators are critically important to our food supply.
And that's why everyone is encouraged to take part, as it not only provides plenty of fun, but also a sense of purpose.
I think the basic thing is you can be a part of something much bigger than yourself. That's the thing to look at, that we have such a problem with the monarchs. If you can go out and actually develop gardens and pots, you can plant flowers, you can do all of that, but you're not only enjoying it, you're teaching about nature, but you can actually help be a part of something bigger and help us save the monarch.
We're very excited about people wanting to be on the Rosalynn Carter Butterfly Trail. Is free to join. You just go to our website, rosalyncarterbutterflytrail.org, and all we ask is that you have nectar and host plants. It's expanded around Georgia. We have almost 1,700 gardens scattered around, and it's just by word of mouth, people wanting to make a difference.
Reporting from Sumter County, I'm Damon Jones for the Farm Monitor.